How to fix Amazon Prime Video error code 5001. Hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. On this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix the issue of error code 5001 on your Amazon Prime Video. Well, there are certain steps that you can try in order to fix this issue. What you can do is you can simply sign out of the application, and once you're signed out, you can simply go ahead and restart your device. Power off your device completely or simply restart it. You can do either one. Now, then you can sign in and you can check if the issue is fixed. The other problem that comes up on apps is due to your software issues, so you might want to head into software update on your device and check for if any new update is available and ensure you're updated to the latest version. You can also unplug your router and modem for the power source and reset your network equipment. If it still doesn't help you, then you might try and clear the device cache. Head into settings, scroll down and head into apps. Under apps, you want to head into the option here that says Prime Video. Now, since you want to clear the cache for it, you want to open up Prime Video app info, head into storage. Under it, you can see clear cache, tap on clear cache, and this should fix the issue. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues as well.